It's Patrick again. I just wanted to share a hint with you about evaluations in CSB. And what I have when I set up evaluations, a lot of times I find it pretty annoying that I have lots of these sort criteria in the system that I don't use. For example, let's say in the food industry, we are not dealing really with hazardous good management, but if I'm setting up reports, I'm always actually scrolling down when I set up sort criteria or selection criteria and find all these entries that I got to go over and never use. And what a lot of people don't know is that there is actually an application within CSB that is found here in Business Organization BPM, Application Control System Data Management, called Sort and Selection Criteria. And the program number for that is 9838. Yeah, 9838 is actually where you can call it from the menu. And here you can just go in and say, I search for, let's say here, hazardous good management. And then I'm going and just block all these entries that are related to hazardous good management and don't make them available. So there are a bunch of them. So I just go and block them all. Yeah, blocking is actually, by the way, done by hitting F4. And this deactivates all these from the system. You can actually also, if you want, go in and just block them from certain programs. So you can do that as well. So by doing that, when I now go back into my reporting program and call up my evaluation, let's say here sales results, and now go into the sort criteria. I don't have HMG. I don't have that actually in the system anymore. So they are all removed from this list. So as I scroll down and go through the list, I don't find any of these entries anymore, and I have reduced them and removed them from the system. So that makes it actually much easier to find the proper sort and selection criteria within the CSB system. Another feature in that sort and selection program is that you can actually also do it just by program or by function. So you can actually go in here and say, I have here certain criteria, let's say city or district, let's say, that I don't want to use. And if I had list, I can actually also say, I would like to just block it from a selection or from a sorting in certain programs. So I can see here, where is it used in a selection program, and then I can actually here go ahead and block it actually in that particular program as a selection criteria, or I can go and block it as a sort criteria, and so on and so forth. So there are different applications. I can also actually in this instance see where this field is in use. That actually allows me to determine which applications are actually supporting this particular application as a sorting criteria. Yeah, for example, here as a sorting criteria, I basically look at a certain field, let's say district, hit F3 list, click on sorting, and then I see that these are all programs that support that particular field district as a sort criteria in those reporting programs. So that's just a quick hint on how you can actually, get more transparency in your selection and sort criteria within CSB reporting.